Hey family, Dion King here, and I just want to take this time to formally invite you to the Refresh My Soul gathering. Yes, on the 25th of June, we will be having a time of gathering in the presence of the Lord, where we are waiting for the refreshing waters of the Lord to reach us at our point of need and a place of where we can be revived, restored, rejuvenated. So we're going to have worship, and we are going to have a time of praise and prayer. There's going to be a time of intercession and a time of the word. We're going to have some workshops for inner healing and deliverance and the life of a worshiper. We're having a special guest speaker traveling all the way from Cambodia, and much more. We've got psalmists that are going to be ministering through the gift of song. We've got a lady that is anointed to sing the refreshing waters to our soul through song. So don't miss it. Book your tickets, don't delay. We're having a time of fellowship after, where we're going to be sitting and communicating and socializing and eating together through the catering service of Fit for Kings.